Palgwe Jang. 준비. Double outside block and high block. Pull uppercut, outside knife attack. Repeat the other side in back stance. Pull to Jumbi position. Back stance double knife. Front kick, spear hand. Pull to your hip. Big stance back fist. Step forward, punch with the kiap. Repeat the beginning. Double block. Pull uppercut. Back outside knife. Repeat the opposite side. Left foot step. Back stance double knife. Front kick. Spear hand. Pull to your head. Big stance back fist. Step forward center punch with the kiap. Left hand left foot riding horse stance low block. Big stance punch. Right hand right foot riding horse stance low block. Big stance punch. And left foot botto.